of that was able to happen. And don't worry, you don't need to meditate for 3 months in the woods. You can do this in a fraction of the time. Let me share a couple studies with you. The first is the bicep study. Now, the researchers at Harvard took 2 groups of people. One group, they had exercising their biceps every day for the entire study, and as you would think, they got stronger. 26% stronger, muscle strength gain. Nothing to worry about there. But what's going to absolutely blow your mind is that the second group of people, they just imagined doing the exercise. They didn't lift a finger. They saw a 13.5% muscle strength gain. They got stronger by just thinking about it. That's the power of your own mind. And if that's not enough, listen to this. Another researcher at Harvard conducted the housekeeper study. Now, there were a group of housekeepers. These are maids, people who take care and clean of a hotel. Now, they're all day, they're on their feet, cleaning, scrubbing, washing, running up and down stairs. But for some reason, they didn't think that their life counted as exercise, because they didn't go to a gym. So the researcher told one group of them, your work actually counts and meets the Surgeon General's guidelines for an active lifestyle. And the other group, she didn't say anything at all. Now, the group that believed that their work actually counted as exercise saw a decrease in body fat, a decrease in blood pressure, and an increase in strength. They got healthier across a multitude of biomarkers by simply just believing something different, believing that their work counted as exercise. Now, if your beliefs can change your biology, imagine what else they can do. Imagine how they affect your confidence, your relationships, your income, your career, your happiness.